Hello and welcome back to the channel. New video, new day. I hope you've all been well. Here we are in the forest. I'd love to share with you the beautiful view as well as get to know the wild edibles around here and how to use them in your day-to-day daily routine in order to increase your wellness, increase your health and your positive energy. So here we have a couple of really lovely edibles that can be incorporated into your tincture making, whether it's in your tincture making, whether it's in your syrup making, whether it's just an average tea that you would like to spice it up with its healing benefits, with its powerful immune boosting benefits. Lovely addition. Here we have the good old wild raspberry leaf, and I talked in the last video about the power of the wild raspberry leaves in terms of its immune balancing properties and how we can best incorporate them into our tea making. Another way to use the wild raspberry leaves is to make a herbal infusion. So it's different than the tea making. The average tea making is to basically just use let's say 2 to 3 cups of the either dried or fresh wild raspberry leaves, and then pour over around 3 to 4 cups of boiling water, and then let it steep for around 6 to 8 hours or overnight. And then when we wake up in the morning, we have this powerful infusion of goodness, of all these vitamins, all these essential minerals that are really important for the health. Not only that, we get to have a concentrated form of the minerals as well and just boost our immunity that way, rather than just having 2 to 3 cups of tea where it's going to be much more lighter in both flavor and in nutrient capacity. Then we have the lilac flowers, absolutely amazing when it comes to syrup making, when it comes to tincture making, also just using them as basic flower edibles when it comes to just basic cake decoration as well. So they're really high in vitamins and minerals, and they also look lovely. I know that you can make a all natural air freshener using the lilac flowers, and they come into all sorts of different colors. So it's best to just use a couple of flowers in your syrup making. And I know a couple of people who also dry up the flowers and then just grind them up or dry them and then use them in all sorts of different recipes and sweets and bakes and tea making as well. Another way that people use the lilac flower is to freeze them that way. So just take the flower and then wash it, make sure you get rid of the impurities, and then freeze it to be used in your recipe making during the winter as well. So let's have a look what else we have here. Lovely view, by the way. I know I saw some rhubarb plants somewhere over here. Let's see. There we go. I just have to be careful because there are some nettle plants over here that can sting you. Not that the sting is bad, the sting is actually really good. Some people actually deliberately sting themselves in order to help improve the circulation of the body, and it's not a pleasant thing, so I'd prefer not to be stung by nettle. I'm sure there's other ways to stimulate the circulatory system other than being stung. So this is the rhubarb plant, high in vitamin C, high in vitamins and minerals as well. So the stalk can be used in all sorts of recipes, baking. It can also be used to make juice out of it as well. Lovely citrusy, zesty flavor. And some people also freeze it to make into jams later on during the winter. I don't know about drying it up, but I would prefer to have rhubarb fresh as much as possible. We've just come across a apple tree that has just started to flower, and it's absolutely beautiful, beautiful view right here just by the lakeside. And let me just see if I could get a better view. So mashallah, looks beautiful. These are not edible, but they sure do look lovely. Deep into the forest we go. Let's see what else we can find. Oh, raspberry leaves right here. It's like a bush of wild raspberry flowers along with dandelion. This view here is absolutely beautiful. Just the colors and the amazing flowers that grow here. More wild dandelion leaves everywhere. Unfortunately, I haven't seen any of the yarrow flowers at the moment. I do think it's pretty early for them to blossom, but we'll see. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll have to end right now. It's getting pretty hot and we're going to head off home. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Do let me know if you're interested in more wild forest vlogs. Let me know what you're interested in seeing, and I hope to see you in the next video. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.